first test firing in 2 hours 14 minutes. Agreed. Coordinate it with Central Operations. What's this?
We have a prisoner.
I can see that. Why are you bringing her to me?
This is Commander Rota, the Deputy Intelligence Officer for this entire sector. I would think that you'd be interested in interrogating her.
I wasn't informed of this.
Perhaps you haven't received the report yet. It's not surprising. We only took the commander prisoner yesterday. We were under a communications
Let me
blackout.
see your orders.
Of course.
Pounder, you honor us with your presence. I had no idea you were in the sector.
My movements are none of your concern.
No.
Have you begun the interrogation of this prisoner?
Not yet.
Good. I will conduct the questioning myself.
As you wish.
Ah, I see the upgraded plasma rifles have been distributed. May I inspect it? Aha. An excellent weapon. What do you think?
Secure those hatches.